Hey guys, how we doing? I want to go over a little table here of daily sales and expenses and a problem that came out of it. So we've got this list of daily sales by days going one after another with food expense and labor expense. And in this column here we got total revenue, which is just sales minus food expense minus labor expense. So we got a list of total revenue, and we got a column here which is like a percentage, which is revenue divided by sales. So it's just like 100 divided by 394, or here it's 39 divided by 376. So we get like what percentage of our sales is our revenue, about 25%, 10%. But the problem I came across recently is, what if you wanted to have a running average of your sales? So like obviously the first day would equal the same, it's just 100 divided by 394. But by the second day we want a running average, like continuous. So we'd want total revenue, which would be 139 divided by this total amount of sales, which is around 750 or so. So to do that, we're going to insert a couple sum functions and divide them. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to sum up the revenue. So we're going to insert sum parentheses, and we want to start with here E3 colon E3. We want to have both parts of this in here, because when we're going to copy it down, we're going to have a range. Just the first one, there's no range, but you'll see in a minute. So we get sum of the total revenue divided by the sum up here, the sum of the total sales. So now we got sum of E, which is the revenue, divided by the sum of sales. We press enter, and we get 0.254, which would make sense because it is equal to, I mean, if there's only one day, so that 1 day's worth is also equal to the total. Now if we copy this down, we'll notice, oh, this is 0.104, and if you look at the formula here, it's summing just E4 to E4, which is just 39 divided by 376, which comes out to about the 10%. Right here, 0.104, and which is not what we want, because we have that captured right here. We want to get the running average. So to do that, we need to anchor this first number. We want this always to stay the same. We always want this to be E3. And then this second part is we want it to change, so we're going to leave it alone. But in this, we always want it to be B3. So we press enter. So now this is still 0.254, but now when I copy this down, now this becomes 0.181. And if you look at it, now what it's doing, it's summing the sum of E3 to E4, which is what we want, these two amounts, divided by B3 to B4, which is the sum of these two amounts, and we come out to 0.181. Now if I copy this all the way down, we're going to have a continuous running average of revenue divided by sales. And let's just take this one for example down here. We're on December 11th. So now we've got E3 divided by E3, or the sum of E3 to E13, which is all of this range. It's summing all this up, and it's dividing it into the sum of B3 to B13, which is this whole range. So it's going to continuously increase the second number, so we're continuously getting a running total of revenue and a running total of sales. And then our formula is just dividing it, and that is how it's going to give us a running average. So just I hope that helps to explain this running average problem. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.